Sorum would like to express our support for this activity commemorating the 25th anniversary of the Tiananmen Square massacre. This series of activities are being organized in these few days. Today, this is the launch of the event, and the event activities included an exhibition, and then tomorrow there will be a documentary screening of the incident of the massacre in Tiananmen Square 25 years ago, and then there will be a public forum to discuss the impacts and also the influence of the tragic incidents to China, but as well to relate the experiences of democratic movements in Malaysia, exchanging experience with the student leaders at that time, World KIC, who will be teleconferencing from Japan. And then there will be a submission of a memorandum to the Chinese embassy on the 4th of June in Kuala Lumpur. And we think this is a very meaningful event because it talks about the democratic struggle in China that is still continuing until today, and the human rights violations that has been well documented in many publications and documentaries. And it is important for the people to remember these incidents and to continue to demand for accountability and transparency in the incidents. And we as Malaysians, it is also important for us to ensure democracy is restored and growing in China, and human rights is respected in China, because given the fact that China is a superpower now with great influence economically, diplomatically and politically, not only in this region but also all over the world. And we are living in a globalized world that many issues are actually cross borders and will impact on many communities outside of China. And China as a superpower, it has an obligation to also to ensure that the human rights is respected, and also democracy, sustainable development, and peace prevail in the region, and people all over the world have also the obligation to make sure that this happens not only in their country but also in other countries.